Hello and welcome to my first tutorial of Python. In this series we will learn how to program Python. There are no requirements before you start this tutorial. You don't need to be familiar with programming, we will start everything from zero. So, what you're currently seeing is the Python idle. For those who are not familiar with what the Python idle is, I will leave a link down on the description so you can download it. Python idle is an IDE for Python. It's an environment that allows us to program in Python and gives us a lot of tools to program and create applications. Now we are seeing the cell. The main window of idle is the cell. It works exactly like a command prompt, a terminal. Here I can write Python instructions directly and the cell will execute them. So if I write print hello world and I press enter, you can see that the cell printed hello world. So this is your first Python program. You can write print hello Yorgos or any name that you want, and the program prints it on the screen. What is print? Print is a function that receives arguments inside the parentheses. What I put inside the parentheses is printed onto the screen. When I want to write a sentence, some words, a string, I have to use quotes, single or double. There is no difference in Python if I write single or double quotes. Now, in order to rerun the program as many times as I want, I have to create a separate Python program. I can go in the idle file, new file, and this opens a new window. The new window is a document that is untitled. Inside this I can write my instructions. I will write again the same instruction, print hello world. Now I can save this file anywhere I want. I will name it hello world. The extension of the file is .py, which is the extension for every Python file. Now I can either run it from here, run module, or by pressing F5, which will run the program in the Python shell of the idle. You can see here that the program that ran was the program hello world.py. Here you can see the directory, and what it did was just print hello world. I can also run this program from my terminal. So if I open a terminal and write Python, the name of the file that was hello world.py, and the program ran also in my terminal. So I have a separate and autonomous program that prints hello world. This was our first video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe. See you next time.